The Moderna mRNA flu vaccine will get FDA review and screen. FDA had said the Moderna research design was flawed, but after initial Moderna application rejection, a thaw. Unexplained to the public, but there will be a review. After all, after widespread uproar about the FDA view. Among scientists, and the FDA withdrew from its stance and allowed FDA flu review. Moderna said the FDA had set an August deadline to decide whether to approve the vaccine. If it is authorized, it will be available for adults over 65. When flu season later in 2020, seats for everyone arise. No mRNA-based flu vaccine has been approved anywhere in the world. Regulators have under review. In Europe, Canada, and Australia, the Moderna vaccine for the flu. Winning approval for the flu vaccine is central to future growth of Moderna. Moderna stock was up 6% on the hope Wednesday morning of approval by the US FDA. Company stock has plummeted quite a way since its peak during the COVID pandemic, as it has struggled to come up with a second act amid declining demand for COVID shots in the Trump first term. The government regime enthusiastically supported the mRNA-based COVID vaccines. But in the past year, the second Trump administration has turned inexplicably against the technology, sending shockwaves through the vaccine industry. Hundreds of millions of dollars in research contracts and projects are dead because cancelled, and agencies under the RFK Jr. purview have sharply limited the recommendations for certain groups to be administered COVID vaccines, preferential to over 65s. All other age groups seem set adrift to stay alive without any help from modern Moderna science. And the advances made in mRNA reliance RFK Jr. views based on science. One must approach RFK Jr. with patience, as his voice cracks and warps and lacks cadence. And when understood, his ideas lack coherence, since RFK Jr. has no science degree, nor interest in learning in the midst of his spree. Intent on limiting safe and effective therapies. One can only parse his intentions from a recent interview. RFK Jr. stated that he was not afraid of germs. He has bravely lived for years with needles and worms in his brain, which seems as distorted as his voice. His explanation is that he snorted coke off toilet seats. Moderna reported that its study had found the vaccine to be safe and effective. It worked well and clean across age groups in preventing flu cases. Side effects were mild, like fatigue, muscle pain, headache, and pain at the injection site. Needless to say, these findings were based on science, not on whether RFK Jr. can find a seat that is compliant with any other person. This would be a subject of merriment, but inexplicably RFK Jr. has been put in a seat of judgment.